In this video, I will show you how to delete your Lyft account. To do this, simply go and open up the Lyft app, and then what you want to do is click You in the bottom right, and from there scroll down until we see Help and go and click Help. Now here you want to click on Profile and Account, then from within Profile and Account click on Edit Profile or Account, then here click Delete My Account, and now from here click on the plus next to how to delete your Lyft account. Then here it shows the steps and it's really hidden and kind of difficult to find, but you need to click on the purple Delete My Account text, and then it will redirect you to an external web page. So they've made this quite difficult, but from here you need to sign in. I've already done this. So they send all of these confirmation codes to your phone number and email to verify it's you. From there you can go and download your data if you want to, and then under delete account just click start, give them a reason, then click next, and then just type delete right there and click delete account, and then your account will be deleted along with your data. So that's how to delete your Lyft account. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.